Hello guys, Monzo Pots are one of the best budgeting tools you'll find in the digital banking. They help you separate money for bills, savings or goals, all inside your main account. And here's how to master them in 2025. Open the Monzo app, tap Create Pot button and name it based on your goal like rent, holiday or emergency fund. You can choose between a standard pot that has no interest or an interest pot if you want to grow savings. Now, pots aren't just for savings. You can link direct debits to specific pots using Monzo's Bills Pots feature. Now, this way, money automatically leaves the right pot when bills are due, helping you avoid surprises and budgeting slip-ups. Now, you can also set up scheduled transfers to move money into your pots every payday, and you can also use roundups to automatically save spare change, and Monzo rounds up each purchase and sends the difference to your chosen pot. Monzo also lets you lock pots until a specific date or goal is reached. It's perfect for saving without the temptation to dip in early. You can still unlock them manually, but the extra steps help you think twice before spending. Your pots also update in real time with every transfer or bill payment. Monzo's budgeting tab shows how much you have spent, how much is left, and whether you are on track for each goal. No spreadsheets needed. A bonus tip, use Monzo's salary sorter to instantly divide your incoming paychecks into pots so bills, savings, and spending money are automatically separated with one tap. Final verdict, Monzo Pots are simple but powerful way to manage your money. Whether you're saving for a trip, paying monthly bills, or building an emergency funds, Pots keeps you organized and in control without the stress. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.